Hello, this is Jim with Land Cruiser Restorations. We have for sale a 1989 FJ62 that's done in the Toyota gray. It's got a 5.3 Chevy Vortec with a 6L80E automatic transmission. It's got all new Oman EMU suspension, shocks, steering stabilizer, greasable shackles, got new exhaust, headers, roof rack with LED lighting all the way around. It's got new bumpers, 8,000 pound Warren winch, 16-inch rims, custom interior, 7-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth navigation, backup camera. It also has a custom center console done by us. It's a very special cruiser. It's one that we built from the ground up. If you're interested in this cruiser or any other cruiser we have for sale, or you'd like us to custom build you a cruiser that meets your needs and requirements, don't hesitate. Give me a call at 316-992-5986. I'm Jim, the owner. I'd also recommend that you visit our website, Land Cruiser Restorations. At the top of the home page, you'll see a button for YouTube. Just click on the button. We have about 100 videos over there. It'll also give you a chance to look at some of the other cruisers we've done, and it might spark some ideas that you might have. So again, give me a shout at 316-992-5986. Thank you.